Muslim majority in occupied Kashmir faces threat as India's policies continue to target the territory's demographic composition. Under the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a dangerous agenda is underway to flood the occupied Kashmir with the non-Kashmiri Hindus, aiming to alter the territory's demographics and weaken the Muslim identity. 27-year-old man from the Kupwara district has gone missing in Russia after being deceived into joining the Russia-Ukraine war under the false promise of a lucrative job. Zahoor Sheikh from Karna last contacted his family on December 31st, informing that he would be undergoing training and unreachable for the 3 months. Residents of the Naidkhai village in the Sumbul area of the Bandipora district staged a protest against the prolonged power outages, stating that the authorities are neglecting their grievances. The angry villagers blocked the Sopore Sumbul road for hours, demanding immediate intervention from the Power Development Department. Body of a missing person was recovered in the Doda district. The body of Muhammad Ishaq, a resident of the Gando in Doda, was found near the Kalamal village under suspicious circumstances. A fire at an Indian Army cantonment in the Badami Bagh, Srinagar, has claimed the life of a non-Kashmiri man. The fire broke out in the canteen located within the cantonment, resulting in severe burn injuries to Rajesh Kumar, the resident of Haryana. A mysterious disease has claimed yet another life in the Budal village of the Rajouri district, raising the death toll to 16, including 12 children, and plunging the community into panic. The latest victim, identified as 60-year-old Jatti Begum, developed symptoms at home before being rushed to the hospital, where she tragically passed away.